Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. I'm Mike with Fowler Family Farm. Today we're going to be doing some goat update real quick on both bucks. I've got Megatron and his 3 does. Megatron's about 7 or 8 months old, but he's only got 3 does with him. But I think he's already got all 3 of them pregnant, to be honest with you. I've seen him cover all 3 goats. I'll show you them right now. They're coming towards me. Well, there he's trying right now. He's trying to get Nuka interested, so. What do you think, Mega? Is she ready? Did you already get her? Pretty sure he's already got Cinnamon right here. I've definitely seen him cover Cinnamon. And he was flirting with her last week when we got back from vacation. I've already seen him flirt with this one too, but he's still interested in her. So. See what he does here. So mark it down. 5 months from October 3rd. 150 days. We should have some babies. I'll go show you guys Chip here in a minute and his does. I know he's covered all his does for sure. And the last doe I saw him cover was October 1st, 2 days ago. So we should have babies on the ground sometime in late February, early March. Isn't that all right, Bella? What do you think, Mega? Hey, don't hit me, Cinnamon. Cinnamon. These goats are persistent. They all like him now. They're not picking on him anymore. So let's go take a look. We did get 3 inches of very needed rain over the last 3 or 4 days. We hadn't had rain. We hadn't had rain in probably literally 2 months at least, maybe 2.5 months. So we've needed this rain. And it's, let me show you the grass. It's definitely greened the grass back up. All this was yellow and it's already, doesn't show up I don't think it's showing up very well in my viewfinder, but it's green. So I need to move their fence again. See, that doesn't look green in the viewfinder, but it's green. So I'll need to move their fence this evening. So this is my only hay feeder for goats. And I'm actually gonna I think I'm gonna take this metal paneling off, metal fencing, cattle panel, and put some smaller stuff on. That's smaller holes, because these goats still get their horns stuck in here. So I'll put that 4x4 squares instead of the 4x6 squares. But I will have to pick up one more of these, and I don't know where this one got bent. I don't remember hitting it on anything, so somebody else probably hit it and just didn't tell me. So I'm gonna have to go pick up something else for the other pasture, because I only got one of these. I'm gonna have to have 2. I do have 2 rings. I don't know if y'all can see that one. 2 rings for my cows for 2 different pastures, but this year I'm only gonna have them in 1 pasture, so that's good. But I will have to go find one more hay feeder for goats, and it's about time to put out hay for sure. All this is greening back up, so they're chewing up on it pretty good. So I probably got another week or 2 before I definitely have to have hay out. But about 4 days ago, before all this rain came through, I was about to put hay out because it was yellow. Everything was yellow and browning up and crunchy when you stepped on it, but it's softened back up. It's greened up already. It's looking good. So we should be good for at least another week. Unless we get more rain, and we may be good for another 2 weeks. But like today's temperature is like 88 degrees, so it'll green up pretty good after a rain like that. Come on, goats. Let's go back over here. Tell you what, these goats, they will follow you if they have any idea that they might be getting fed grain. They will definitely follow you. So I'm walking this direction, so they're going to follow me because they think they're going to get fed. We've already fed them today. All right, let's go get Megatron and his does. Bring them up here to the front. See how they look. Goaty goats! Well, there's Jenny. She knows her name, Goaty Goats. Come on, goats! Goaty Goats! Here they come. Y'all have already been fed. Yeah, he just tried to mount Nuka here, so. Chip. Hey, Chip. You getting it done over there, buddy? You getting it done, buddy? Huh? You getting it done? Chip, are you getting it done, buddy? Yeah. For those of you who are new, Chip is only maybe 13 months old, I think. So he's fairly new too. This is his first time being with does. And you can see what he's got. He's got quite a few more. Yeah? Chip, have you taken care of all your girls? Yeah? Was that a yeah? What do you think, Chip? These your girls? Have you taken care of them yet? Chip's still on the small side, but I think he'll get the job done. I've already seen him cover Oreo for sure, and Crybaby. And then, yeah. You gonna have babies in 150 days? Hope so. We're gonna see. Okay, Jenny, come here. Come here, girl. Come here, I'll pet you. Yeah. Yeah, good girl. Good girl, Jenny. What do you think? What is that? You got some grass hanging out of your mouth. Chip, come here. Come here, boy. Chip. So yeah, he's covered this one here, Crybaby. This one here, Ginger Snap. Oreo right here in front of us. And then, yeah, Snow White. The one on the left here. I've seen him cover all four of them. Doesn't mean it took, but it probably did. And he'll probably still work on it. So those feeders I made for the goats, right here, I'm getting out of my shadow. They do knock them over constantly. So I am gonna have to attach them to the fence somehow. And I looked for my extra sea purlin that I was gonna make some of these goat feeders from. And I got the wrong size. I thought I had some of the wider stuff, but I don't. I got the narrow stuff. So it won't make a good feeder. It won't make for a good trough. But yeah, they turn those over every time. And I can either attach them to the fence somehow, or maybe even make longer feet so that it's more stable. But I think they just get their nose up under it and just tip it over. But they do work. The goats use it pretty well. Okay, Chip, I'm gonna get back over here on the other side. He doesn't like that Megatron's over here doing the same thing. You keeping an eye on Megatron, buddy? Or are you keeping an eye on me? My $2 right there. Good job, Megatron. Stay with it, buddy. You can do it. Okay, y'all, there you have it. Mating season is in full swing here, and I think we should have babies within 150 days. Maybe not all of them, but I would say 150 days from this weekend, we should start seeing some babies at least, if not before that, because I know Chip did cover a few of them before this, so I think it happened. I think it worked, so I can't wait. These $2, they look really good. They're kind of course they're small because they're young, but I can't wait to see the babies. They're gonna be some pretty babies. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. If you're new to our channel, make sure you go down there and hit that subscribe button for us, and make sure you hit the like button as well. We'll see you guys on the next video, and remember, do the good.